One of the key skills of the practicing organic chemist is to be able to perform conformational analysis on oftentimes very complex intermediates. In order to do this with any semblance of speed, it is important to be able to almost instantaneously ring flip cyclohexanes and related motifs within these molecules. Looking at this simple 4-T-butyl bromocyclohexane, the first instinct to perform a ring flip on it is to keep the substituents in the same place. So that is to simply draw the flipped cyclohexane, keeping the substituents in the same relative location. However, once the substitution gets more dense, and additionally once you add more rings to this system, it becomes quite difficult to feasibly perform this transformation accurately. So perhaps the best tool for doing this is to simply pick a vantage point. In this example, let's say we are looking down from the top of this ring, and then shift every substituent over one atom. So in this case, we would draw the same chair, and let's say that we are shifting every substituent one atom counterclockwise. So the bromine will go one over, it's still up, and the T-butyl will go one over, and it's still up. And these two structures are equivalent. Unlike with this other one where you have to flip the entire chair, this is quite a simple technique. And I'll show you the utility of this using a intermediate from the Ed Pears 1971 synthesis of sacchaline, this cis-decalin type intermediate. Performing the first method, one might imagine, could be quite a headache. However, performing the second method of ring flips allows us to quite easily arrive at the flipped conformer. So, starting from this ring, which will be our vantage point, if we shift over the other cyclohexane ring, this is still up, up. Then we shift the THP one down, it is still down. These methyls are still here. The acetate, is still up, and then this olefin is still there. And as you can see, it took virtually no time to perform this ring flip. So I hope that when you are faced with a problem of conformational analysis, you remember this technique and are able to shave valuable seconds off of, for instance, a synthesis exam. So thank you for listening.